Let's make some chicken fajita pizza in the air fryer. Take some olive oil in a pan. Add the thinly sliced chicken and fry it until it's light brown. The chicken is brown and it's cooked now. So I'm gonna add some garlic. You can use garlic paste as well. Stir fry this for a few seconds only. Add the vegetables. I've got some peppers and onions. Add some salt, paprika, coriander powder, cumin powder, oregano. Stir fry this on high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the chicken has been stir fried, add some lemon juice and some dark soy sauce. Stir fry for 1 more minute and then cool it down. I'm gonna preheat the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I've got this naan bread. I bought this from Asda. They have a lot of fresh naan breads in their bakery section. Now this is Asda's tomato and basil pizza topper. So I'm gonna put the sauce first. I'm gonna add some cheese first. So this is cheddar cheese, some mozzarella cheese. This is the chicken fajita that we made. So I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add some more mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some garlic powder and some oregano. This is preheated. It's hot, so you have to be careful. Just place the pizza in it. And now this is gonna go in the air fryer for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes. It's ready.